Okay, welcome to my first unboxing video, and today we'll be unboxing the AeroPress. And the AeroPress is a coffee maker which claims can make espresso or French vanilla, and it's definitely smaller and less expensive than those huge espresso machines. So we ordered this online, and this is the box that it came with. The box is slightly, well, not damaged, but there are dents on some of the sides, and these are some of the reviews. Here you can see it here. So the box is hexagonal, and it's about, I'd say, more than a feet, more than a feet tall. So let's open the box. So let's see what it comes with. So this is the top of the box, and it says quick and easy, stir coffee in hot water for 10 seconds. Press gently, basically some instructions. And let's open it up. I already helped myself because the tape was so sticky, right? So the box contains this part. I think that's the stirrer, and this is the scoop to measure out your coffee, obviously. And then it comes with a some sort of a funnel, a hexagonal funnel there. So this is, I guess, where you put your coffee when you are going to put it on the machine. And this is the syringe-like part. I'll just move these things. So it says AeroPress, and I heard that this only comes in one color, so it's like grayish. I would say it's grayish, and here's some sort of rubberized circle, which I guess would you'd use to push the coffee down. It's kind of tight, which makes sense because when you push your coffee through this, you want it to be tightly sealed, so it creates a vacuum to press your coffee. So it's plastic, but it looks durable. So there's that. And then, don't go away. Right, you want to go away, stay there. And then it also comes with the filter. And the last thing at the bottom was this, and this is the filter holder, and this package comes with a lot of paper filters. So here you go. There's that. I guess this is where you put the paper filter. And it also comes with instructions how you could basically use your AeroPress coffee maker. So how do we assemble this? Alright, so basically what you do is, let's pretend this is the cup. So the cup goes at the bottom. It doesn't come with a cup, of course. And then you put your filter holder, and you put it there. You place it there. You put your paper filter over there. Then you put this thing, or the part of the, well, the press itself, and then you basically scoop coffee here, and you stir it for like 10 seconds or so, and then that's when you put this, the top of the syringe, so to speak, and then you press. So this is how it looks like when it's assembled. And does it really work? Find out on my next video. Of course, you need to have ground coffee first before you could use this, and I haven't gotten around to getting that. So on my next video, on my next review video, that's what we'll do. Thank you for watching, and if you want to buy your own AeroPress, I will put a link below on where you can order it online.